Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a sweet treat. Who doesn't love chocolate covered strawberries? So I thought to bring this recipe to you. So we need fresh strawberries and we need semi-sweet chocolate chip. I have white and dark. So I'm going to take it out in a bowl. And using a double boiler method, I'm going to melt the chocolate until it is nice and smooth and satiny texture. And this is perfect way to achieve that smooth and shiny texture, because if you do it in a microwave, then sometime it turns really clumpy and you will waste your chocolate. So I'm going to take the chocolates in bowl, white and dark. Now I'm going to take the strawberries and dip them. You can cover it all the way or you can cover halfway, choice is yours. Now lay it out in a plate and I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes until I'm going to put the white chocolate into a ziploc bag so that I have a cone. So I just put the ziploc bag over a cup so it's easier for me to fill it up. So like this, and I'm just going to cut it and just start drizzling the white chocolate like this. Now you can create any design that you like. I really like this because it gives me that very professional look. So here our chocolate covered strawberries are ready. Look how beautiful it looks, and you can enjoy this fruit well while it lasts. So thank you for watching. Spread the love, not germs. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.